Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to listen to Amazon Music offline. This is incredibly useful when you're traveling, have limited data, or simply want to enjoy your favorite tracks without relying on an internet connection. Let's dive right in and get your music ready for offline listening. First things first, open your Amazon Music app and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving forward, as this gives you access to all the features we'll be using today. Once you're in, you'll see the main interface of the app, which is designed to make navigation straightforward and user-friendly. Now look to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the search bar. Click on it to activate the search function. Here, type in the name of the song you want to download and press enter. The app will quickly pull up matching results, displaying the track you're looking for, along with similar options. This search feature makes it easy to find exactly what you need without scrolling through endless playlists. Next, hover your mouse over the song you want to download. You'll notice that when you do this, additional options become available. Click on the three dotted lines that appear next to the song title. This opens a menu with several actions you can take. From this menu, select Download. Keep in mind that the download button might not be visible if your account hasn't been upgraded to a premium tier, as offline listening is typically a feature reserved for paid subscribers. However, if you have the right subscription, clicking download will start saving the track directly to your device. Once the download has finished, which should only take a few moments depending on your internet speed, click on Library in the top menu. This section is where all your saved and downloaded content lives, making it easy to access everything in one place. From the library options, select Music. This filters your content to show only your music files, keeping things organized and easy to navigate. Here, you'll see all your downloaded music displayed neatly. These tracks are now stored locally on your device, ready to be played anytime without needing an internet connection. Finally, click any downloaded song to play it. You'll notice that it plays smoothly without using mobile data or Wi-Fi, giving you complete freedom to enjoy your music wherever you are, whether you're on a plane, in a remote area, or just trying to save data. And that's it. You've successfully set up offline listening on Amazon Music. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.